Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is the look that we are going to be doing today. It's super simple, it's super easy, it's going to take you literally 5 minutes to do. It's not that complicated, but I'm just going to show you a couple different products and techniques what you can do, how you can mix and match in order to create fresh glowy look without many products and without a lot of time. So if you are interested, if you do have a little bit of free time, please keep on watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, my friends, let's just get into our makeup right away. It's been crazy hot, it's been crazy humid, and to the point that you don't even want to apply any makeup on yourself. But you know, on those hot days, sometimes you actually need to. And it got me into thinking, like, what can I do? Something quick and simple so it look good on a hot day, and it's not gonna take me that much time to actually do. I'm using minimal products, but this is something that you can do in 5 minutes. Do it in your car, in your office, on the way somewhere. It's gonna be super simple. So the products I'm gonna be using for today are nude sticks. For some reason, these products passed me by. I don't know why, I don't know what's up with that, but I believe them to be absolutely amazing. They come in those cute little boxes with mirrors. And yeah, so this is something that is also convenient to have, so you wouldn't have tons of palettes with you, but this is something that you can have in your purse, in a tiny little pouch or a makeup bag. So they look like this. That's what I'm going to be using. So I'm applying their tinted blur stick. The color I chose for myself is medium number 4. I wanted to mention that it is a very sheer coverage, but again, it is very hot, so we don't want to have this cakey mask looking face. We need something just to neutralize a little bit of redness that we have, and we want to look that we don't have anything on. I'm going to apply it right from the stick. So as you can see, it doesn't do that much in terms of coverage, but it's still there. So I will be applying it in the center of my face, wherever I feel I need more coverage. The cool thing about it, you can apply it with your fingers or you can use a brush. I don't think it would be a really good option to use a beauty blender, just because it's going to absorb so much product and you will end up without the product at all, if that makes sense. Let me just grab a mirror because I can't see. The cool thing about this product is that it is super easy to apply. You don't have to worry about being precise because it is blendable, it is lightweight, and this is exactly what you need on a hot day, because you don't want to be thinking about your foundation, your concealers and blush and contours and this and that. You want something simple, you want something that actually looks good, that doesn't take you a lot of time to do. Really quick, enjoy it, and even if it's gonna melt here and there, or you know, something's gonna happen to it, you shouldn't worry because it's not gonna be even that much noticeable. So again, I am using my fingers. You can use your brush. Don't forget to wash your hands, just saying, because you don't want to be touching your face with dirty hands. Or have a sanitizer, like tiny little sanitizer bottles, you know, you can carry in your purse. So I still have a little bit of redness, but that's fine because I tend to get pretty red on a hot day. So if I'm gonna cover it all up and then my chest or my arms are gonna get reddish, it's gonna look too masky, and we don't want that. So a little bit of sheer coverage here and there. If you do need to use concealer, do. If you have to spot conceal or something. And yeah, you can tell that I'm curly, and you can tell that it's too humid and too hot that I can't even be bothered to style my hair. So this is why we're going with this. Okay, I've applied this. I am happy with what I see. Nothing major, and we're gonna leave it at that. Another cool product that I discovered for myself is the same company, Nude Sticks. The product is called Nudie's Bloom. They say it's all over dewy color. The color that I chose is Sweet Peach Peony. You don't even have to have the exactly same products. I'm just giving you the idea of something that might be really useful in your makeup bag, especially on those hot summer days. So what you do, you can apply this color on your cheeks, on your lips, and or your eyelids as well. So it is super versatile. It is a good product to have and invest in, to have in your purse, just because, come on, it's like 3 products in one little tube. And the cool trick about this particular product is that it has a brush. So can't go wrong with that. I'll apply it to my cheeks, my lips, and my eyelids. Ooh. And so now I'm gonna blend it. Just to give ourselves a little bit of color. I still need to apply a little bit of my pencil to tight line a little bit, just because otherwise I'll look barefaced, but it's my personal opinion. If you can skip that step, totally cool. Brown pencil in my waterline, and definitely tons of mascara. I'm not gonna elongate my eyes. I'm not gonna play around with shape because it's too hot. We can't be bothered. It's just to make our eyes pop. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. And I'm gonna apply mascara. And my bottom lashes. And I'm gonna add a little bit more color to my eyelids. And they are going to be a little bit sticky if you're not going to powder them, so keep in mind that they might crease a little bit. But again, it's super easy and quick, and you can always fix it with your fingers. So it's just to tie everything together as a look. Another thing, I haven't been sleeping that well, so I really do need a concealer, but I am going to be using something lighter and something in a form that it is easier to apply and travel with. So this is Yves Saint Laurent Touche Éclat. The color is 2.5. It's considered to be a highlighter slash concealer, so it's kind of like an iffy product, but I really like it for my under eyes, just to lighten up the area, lighten up my under eyes. It doesn't give me that much coverage, but it definitely does give me that amazing brightening effect. Same thing with my finger. I'm just gonna blend it. Because we don't wanna look covered up with makeup. We just wanna look rested, if that makes sense. If you have dry skin, you probably won't even need to powder. I don't, so I'll definitely have to powder at least my T-zone and my under eyes. So I can powder. Do I need a little bit of highlighter? You know, let's apply just a tiny amount here to neutralize the redness. And here. So yeah, I'll be powdering. Because this is the look, I'm saying that you'll be able to do anywhere on the go, whatever, whenever and wherever you would want to. I do have this powder, the compact from Becca. Looks like this. It's white, but it goes on absolutely transparent. So you can use it with a puff to give yourself a little bit more of a coverage. Or if you have a tiny little retractable brush or something tiny like this that you can take with you if you have in your makeup bag, you would either dust it all over, like so, or under your eyes, always. But if you don't have the brush, you can do the same thing with your puff. It's gonna give you a little bit more of a coverage, but if you are applying on your T-zone, it's perfectly fine, and it's gonna last you so much longer. But if you have a drier skin, you cannot even powder and it would still look amazing, and it would still stay, and you don't even have to worry about anything. And we're done. No highlighter, no contouring, nothing. You can add gloss, you can add a little bit of bronzer, but I'm showing you something that you can easily do without that many products. So let's just count. We use 2, 3, concealer, 4, pencil, where's my pencil? Pencil, mascara. You don't even need to curl your eyelashes. Is that it? Yeah, so we use 3, 4, 6 products. 6 products and you have a full face of makeup. Didn't mention, I did my eyebrows off camera. First thing that I did today. I didn't film it, so it would be a 7th product. But if you're lucky and blessed with absolutely gorgeous brows, you might not need to do anything. The only thing I would recommend just to brush them up a little bit with eyebrow gel. So technically you would need only 7 products for a full look, and they are tiny and they can easily fit in your makeup bag. And you know what? Don't be scared of the products that are multifunctional, that do many things, because you know we see a lot of ads and commercials and videos, and we think that we need a particular product for a particular thing. If you can get a product that does a lot of things for you and saves you so much time, do get it, try using it, and you're gonna love it. I'm pretty sure. Guys, this is the finished look. It's super easy. I don't even think that I can actually add anything else because it is self-explanatory. It is super easy and there's absolutely nothing exciting about it. Just, you know, besides the fact that it's super easy and you definitely can do it in the car, let's say, right? I promise that I am going to show you how to spice it up just a little bit. So let's say this is what you created, the fun, easy, minimum product look, and then you need to go out, and this is not enough for a night out. This is not enough to be wearing whenever you are taking pictures, so you need something more. And because it is summer and because it is hot, we want it to be cool and summery. I'm going to use a colorful pencil, so anything would work. I'm using a dark navy blue pencil. You could be using either something blue, purple, green, pink, whatever works for you. You know, just be careful with pinks because they might bring out the redness in your eye and you might look more tired. So go for something blue, green, purple, something safer. You can definitely use either a black pencil or a brown pencil, but it is going to be a much heavier look. Whether, you know, if you're going to be using something colorful, it's going to be more summery and fresh and probably different from what you normally wear. So this is the face, this is what we have. I'm using blue Technicolor liner from MAC, and the color is called Out of the Blue. So I am gonna put it inside my waterline and in between my lower lashes. So let me just show you how I'm gonna do it. So with this pencil, I'm just gonna apply it inside my waterline. In the other eye. And you know what, for some people it might be enough. It might be, you know, just exactly what you need, you know, nothing crazy, nothing else, just a little bit more definition in your eyes, and that's it. But we are not gonna stop at that. We're gonna take the same pencil and we are gonna get a pencil brush. I am just gonna go in between my lower lash line, and I am gonna extend it just a little bit, so you know, kind of to create this elongated eye like that. And with a pencil brush I am just gonna blend it. I want to add some color and shape like so. Same thing, same pencil under my other eye, in between the lashes. And again, with a pencil brush, blend it out. It will add more drama to your eyes. And it is very easy to do. All you need is just a pencil and a brush. And you know there are those pencils with the like a spongy tip at the bottom. So if you have at the other side, so if you do have that one, you don't even need to have a brush on hand. And that's pretty much it. I feel like whenever you apply a little bit more on your eyes, I would definitely recommend to use more mascara. So let's just let's just wipe off our fallout if you have some. And we're just gonna get same mascara, like so. Oh, now add a little bit on top. And I would leave it like that, but if you feel like you need a little bit more, you can use my Marc Jacobs Omega Bronze. And I'm just gonna give myself a little more tan on the high points of our face. You can use highlighter if you feel like it. You know, just to give a little bit more dimension to our face, because nowadays we all know that we do take pictures all the time. So if you want to look a little bit more snatched on your pictures, make sure to add a little bit of bronzer or contour or whatever you have with you. And let's add a little bit of color to our lips. I don't want to go that dark. I just want to get this plumpness going on. I'll use my Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in the color Pillow Talk. And I love this pencil. I hardly ever use it on myself, but whenever I'm doing someone else's makeup, whenever I'm working, this is the pencil that I reach for a lot of times. And you can see that it's been loved. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna overline my lips just a little bit. It pretty much matches the nude stick that we used. It's just to give it a little bit more of definition and plump. And definitely dimension, because we want our lips to be like more juicy rather than flat. And I'm just gonna blend it with my finger, nothing fancy. I overline them a little bit just to make sure they are even and, you know, out there. And for the highlighter, I'm going to be using this Benefit WhatsApp. This is a tiny little sample that I got somewhere, and it's very easy and convenient to have in the makeup bag. I'm going to use it just straight from the stick on the high points of my face. A little bit on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and a tiny little amount right here in the corners of my eye. And let's just blend it. The color is gorgeous. It is cream. It's gonna match everything that we already have underneath. We don't have to be that careful about applying it. And a little bit of it right in the center of the eye. Keep in mind that because it's cream that we didn't set with powder, it might be not as long lasting as you would hope it to be. But again, because it is because they are cream products, you know, just touch it with your fingers here and there, and you are good to go. And this is the finished look. Something quick, something easy. You can do it on the go. You don't have to be super precise. Just slap it on, run out the door, and look amazing and receive compliments. I hope you enjoyed this look because it's nothing super new or dramatic. A little bit of creativity and a little bit of products that you should have with you. And I hope you enjoyed this look. I hope this has been helpful. As always, let me know if you liked it. And until next time, please stay healthy, gorgeous, and beautiful. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye.